Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So I'm only a couple days away from my due date, so we're officially on baby watch over here. So I thought I would just film a little video today as I'm getting some last minute cleaning and laundry done and just preparing to hopefully have a baby this week. I'm going to start off by cleaning the kitchen, get a load of laundry started, make some soup for lunch. It's been really cloudy and gloomy the last 2 days, so it seems like a great day to have some soup. So I filmed this video on a Monday, kind of last minute, the day before it went live. And that weekend I had done lots of deep cleaning through the house, just getting it ready for my due date week, because on my due date week, which I'm currently in, I just wanted to every day quickly go through the house, get it tidied up, and just try to maintain a clean house throughout the week, just so I could be prepared whenever the baby decided to make its arrival. And especially before we go to bed at night, I like to quickly tidy up the house because my last two babies, we had to run to the hospital in the middle of the night. And so I just want to be able to come home to somewhat of a clean house after I have the baby. It's just very calming and relaxing for me, and I know it'll be just a very peaceful space to come home to. Over the weekend I made some pomegranate jelly, and the first time I tried to make this like a week or two ago, it turned into pomegranate syrup instead of jelly. But this time we've got some yummy jelly. This is the one we've had in the fridge here that we've been eating. It's so yummy. I'm going to make a chili for lunch, and I've had the pinto beans cooking in the crock pot all night, so I can add those into my chili here. So I just made a full pot of this chili, that way we can have leftovers this week in the fridge, or I can just put the leftovers in the freezer. But I'll type up down below in the description box what I typically put in my chili. It can vary, but I'll just go ahead and type up what I put in here today. I let that chili boil for about 30 minutes and I went and started a load of laundry. I'm also trying to stay on top of the laundry this week as well, because the laundry can pile up so quickly around here. So just trying to stay on top of it, doing a load about every other day, just so that we don't come home to piles of laundry. So then I took a lunch break, and then I did lay down on the couch for a little while after lunch, and now I'm getting back to the cleaning by taking the sheets off of our bed and getting these washed for the week, because it'll be nice to come home to a clean bed as well. Okay, so I've got the car seat and the hospital bag set out here. I did add a couple more things to the hospital bag, but if you want to see the majority of what I packed in there, that was in my last baby prep and update video. We packed that bag. We got the car seat base installed in the truck, and I do have my list on top of here of all the last minute things that we need to grab that aren't in the bag. This past week I got all the baby's pacifiers washed. I hooked this pacifier to this wooden pacifier clip here. It's really cute with all these wooden beads, and then the middle one is crocheted, so I've got that ready to go. Wash the last of the blankets. When we get home from the hospital, we're going to move this bassinet over here beside my side of the bed, and I'm really excited to use this. I think it's going to make it a lot easier this time. It does unzip on this side and roll down, so you can easily reach in and grab the baby. Also, I got a fun package from Happy Baby that I want to unbox here and show you. So they kindly gifted me one of their Happy Baby carriers and one of their Happy Baby wraps. I thought the name was very appropriate for Hannah's Happy Home. They've got these baby carriers in several of these really pretty colors. I went with this green one. I think this was one of the colors that they released for fall of this year. This looks like it's going to be really comfy. I've also got their baby wrap here. This is in the slate gray color. I'll be using this a lot those first couple weeks. It's just really nice to have the baby wrapped to you all snugly. This wrap is really soft and stretchy. It's got the Happy tag on the front there as well. So I'll let you know what I think of these once I have a baby to actually carry in them. But I'm sure I'll be wearing the baby a lot in future videos because, like I said, I love to wear my babies a lot, especially in the beginning. The boys had already cleaned up their bedroom for the day and made their bed, so all I had to do in here was vacuum. They have been loving their new bedroom. They're always sitting over here at this desk building Legos or coloring. If you haven't seen my last video, that was their bedroom makeover, and we transformed their room into more of a big boy room, and we just love how it turned out. I grabbed one of the boys' backpacks here. I'm going to go ahead and pack this for them because when we go to the hospital, they're going to be staying at my in-laws' house. In my first Christmas Decorate With Me video, I asked for suggestions on how to get the big wrinkles out of this rug. This rug used to have 3 really big wrinkles right here. There's still some smaller ones, but it looks way better than it did before. A lot of you suggested laying down a damp towel and ironing over top of that to get the wrinkle out. I did that over the weekend and it turned out awesome. I got most of the wrinkles out, so a big thank you to all of you who suggested that. I need to wrap a few Christmas presents now before they get found and get those put under the tree. I found this wrapping paper at Target. It's black with the little gold Christmas trees. I thought that was really cute. Okay, last thing I wanted to get done today was to quickly reorganize this pantry, wipe down the shelves. It's not too bad in here, but the shelves do need to be reorganized. The microwave needs cleaned. I need to put the cereal in the boxes and the rice in the boxes. Things are just kind of sitting around. Just wanted to quickly go through here before I get some more groceries tomorrow. I've had this can organizer for over 2 years now. I think I got it off of Amazon and I really love it. I might have to get a second one because I end up just stacking cans beside of it because it doesn't quite fit all of the cans. So I might have to just put a second one there beside of it, but I'll have the link for that down below, and also whatever else I can link from this pantry will be down there as well. And I'll also just link my pantry organization video down below that I did while we were doing our home renovation. Okay, so this pantry is looking much better now and it's ready for some groceries tomorrow. Up here on the top shelf, I just have some food storage of like extras that I keep on hand. I've got my tea in those baskets down there, canned goods. Usually have these little baskets full of snacks and I need to fill up these containers down here. But we've got the cereal containers full, and any extra cereal or extra rice is back there just stored behind the containers. And these baskets on the floor are really nice for my reusable grocery bags. I've got all my extra paper towels down there and then some more grocery bags over here. So yeah. And since I'm getting groceries after my midwife appointment tomorrow, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the fridge. You can see the outside of it really needs cleaned here. And then also the inside does need cleaned as well before I fill this up. I hope that you enjoyed coming along on my day as I got some things done around the house. Hopefully this video was motivating for you. I'm going to spend the rest of the week just relaxing, going for walks, and just waiting for this baby to make its arrival. Thank you so much for the overwhelming amount of prayers and well wishes for this baby's arrival. It means so much to us. You all are so sweet with all of your comments and your messages, and we just appreciate each of you so much. We're so grateful for all of you. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving week, and I probably won't have a video up this Saturday, so I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!